Hi all, Plant Side Agent here. Today we're going to take a look at different carry options for the Titanium Canteen Mess Kit. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Okay, let's get started. I recently picked up this Gritter Titanium Canteen Mess Kit, and it came with a carrying case, a pretty nice one. It's nice and compact, and I did loadout on that. And by the way, I do have videos on this canteen, the loadout for this particular bag, and I also have videos on some of these different bags that I'll show you today. And I'll put links of all of those videos in the description if you want to chase some of that down. But anyway, so I know some of these, this is just one brand Gritter. I think Pathfinder had one for a while. I don't know if he carries it in his store, but there's another outdoor outfitter that has them. Also, I think Boundless Voyage and several other manufacturers. So this style is fairly common, and some of them don't come with carrying cases. So if you happen to be one of those, or you're thinking of buying one of these because you get a good deal on it, but then what am I going to carry it in? And I do have various bags. I buy bags for different reasons, and for building different loadouts and kits. So I decided, well, I'll just take some of the bags I have, and we'll see if this canteen fits in it, and then you could go with one of those options. So let's see. Well, let's get the one that's not going to work right out of the bag. This is your standard U.S. military GI canteen carry bag, and I thought, oh, that might work perfect because this looks similar in size, but in actual reality, it's this is just a hair bigger than the U.S. military size. So, for like the canteen cup, it's not gonna fit in there. So it's just a little too small, which is kind of unfortunate in a way, because you can buy these bags everywhere and they're not particularly expensive. So anyway, so that one won't work. Next, let's go with this one. This, I probably got this on AliExpress or Timo or one of those places, maybe eBay. All these sell these different Molle stuff bag. This one's called a dump pouch, and let's see, and it's gonna fit. Oops. One thing you got to watch for when you're putting these in is the wing catching on the side of the bag, which is not a showstopper. But anyway, so we'll go ahead and as you can see, he fits in there nicely without too much fiddling around. And it does have, you're wondering, it's open. Will this dump out? Well, it's got a little secure tie here. So let's see how this is going to work. Oh, okay. It's got this internal bag. I can keep this in frame. It's kind of like trying to do a video looking over somebody's shoulder and looking at this camera. So anyway, yeah, you pull that up because it's got an elastic cord in here with the outside that will tie down. Yeah, so you can, there you go. Just tie it right down. And I got to thinking, one of the nice things about this arrangement, like I say, it's not going to fall out because it's secured in there. But you can actually, if you just had this on the side, you could either take it out, the canteen out, to get a drink out of it if you wanted, or you could probably drink right out of the pouch if you want, depending on how you get it secured. So that's a pretty good option. This one comes with it's a little side pouch. It's not particularly big, and another one over here. So you could put a few things in there, maybe fork and spoon. Little thing out here, you might be able to put in some kind of maybe one of those foldable stoves. I have one. I did video on one of the smaller stoves. I think that would probably fit in there. Let's find out. I got one of the small titanium Twig stoves. There you go. So that would fit in that pocket there. So this guy's pretty flexible. Let's see what kind of a size alcohol bottle we can get in the side. Here's a 4-ounce alcohol bottle if you run it on a stove. And yeah, it's a little snug. Nah, it's a little snug, but you might make it work. A 2-ounce would work just fine. I don't have one handy here, but so yeah, a couple of small pockets you could put some small things in, maybe like a food prep knife, like an Opinol, maybe some silverware stuff in here. So nice flexible little pouch. And like I say, you can find these things online. They're not very expensive, pretty reasonable actually. So that's this the dump pouch. Taking a look and make sure this camera's actually running. One day I got behind, I was turning it on when I thought it was off, and vice versa, and I get back to do my video and there's nothing. I had all the in-betweens. Like I say, this is a little snug. Well, let's just see how easy to get the canteen. You can get that in and out really quick if you, just for drinking. But to get the other pieces out, you'll have to wrestle them out. But you're only going to do that once or twice a day anyway, so not a big deal. The only thing is, for filming, it's rather boring for you to watch me fiddle with this thing. But it comes out. It's a snug fit, but it will work. So that's a nice little pouch. I see you can find these online. Okay, next. Okay, this is a what did I do with that? This is a an Alice radio pouch. It's a there's still got the Alice clips on here. It does come with some straps. It's got a couple outside pockets. I did a separate video on this. I originally bought this to see if it would fit with a BCB Crusader mess kit, and it's just a little too short. But it's a nice little pouch, and let's see if the canteen will fit in this one. It looks like it may or may not. I haven't tried these yet. I just dug them out of my bag of bags, or my container of bags, and to see if these would work, give you guys some ideas. So I keep this in frame. Might make for more. Oh, this is going to be a snug fit, but once you get all the lips and handles, oh yeah. Yeah, once you get past all the little things that are going to catch on everything, but it fits down in there. Drop the canteen in. I get in the right direction. There you go. Yeah, plenty of room. And these weren't real expensive. I think I actually bought this. The guy that does Army surplus stuff. So I mean, you've got a little extra room in there. You can, you could add other stuff in there. You got the outside pockets. They're not real big. I don't know what they kept in there originally, maybe batteries or something. But anyway, they're pretty narrow, but you could put some cooking utensils. It's got this outside pouch. And here again, one of those small Twig stoves, collapsible ones, will fit in there just fine with probably some other things. So do have some different options if you want to build a kit around this. Say none of these things are particularly expensive, so I say this one's nice. It actually comes with carry straps. But that's the radio pouch, Alice radio pouch. That's what you just Google Alice radio pouch, and it'll probably take you to the vendor that I bought these from. So I won't put links to these per se in my description, because I had a problem with a link for I think it was the old Zeiss made alcohol stoves, and I had a link to his website. Well, he went out of business, and in the meantime, some nefarious gambling site grabbed the URL, the link or the address for that site. So it pointed. So when you clicked on it, it'd go to the gambling site. Well, YouTube doesn't like that, so they pulled the videos and gave me a black mark, which I did send in a request for a protest, and yeah, that might take forever. But anyway, so that's just kind of unfortunate. So you never know what's going to happen. And the thing is, like, I did the video 4 years ago. So anyway, enough of that. So this little pouch works nice. So there's one for it. Drain holes. Yeah, this one doesn't have drain holes. Could be problematic, especially with this inside pouch. But okay, and the last one to look at. This is another thing that's called a dump pouch carry bag. This is really a nice little bag. I built a kit with the around this with the mess tins, the square rectangle mess tins, or they're also called lunch boxes. And like I said, I'll videost all of those in the description. But this is a nice little bag. It's got 2 outside pockets, and I think this one will fit the 4 ounce will fit in here just fine for fuel. Like I said, yeah, this is the same size on this one. So you got some carry options depending on how you want to build it out. And then it's got this little pocket here. It's got elastic and mesh, and I guess you can cinch it down if you need to. But that's a lot of options there. And on the inside, it's got a couple of pockets. It's got a little mesh one here. It has another little one here. So I'm pretty sure this will fit in one of these pockets. Yeah, there you go. There's your foldable cook thing. I think it might even fit it out here too. So yeah, fit out here. So you got lots of options, And this one comes with drain holes, and it's got a flap with a buckle on it, and it's got the Molle stuff on the back. A little bit different Molle design on this one, in that it's stitched with that flap so that when you pull on it, it catches. So, and it came with a strap, which is nice. Always if you want to carry, just sling it over your shoulder, make a day kit, cook kit out of it. But pretty sure this will fit. Yeah. So anyway, we'll put this one in. There you go. That fits in there. So again, gobs of room, little room on the side here. So, you know, you could add whatever things you feel you need when you're out in the field, or you want to add or try to make a complete kit, or try to carry as much in one place as possible, which is always a good thing. So, like I said, it's got a snap down here to lock it down. You can cinch it up a little bit. And there you go. So there's another option for you. So here's 3 different carry options if you're looking for something to carry your canteen in. And of course, this would work for a regular military canteen too, if you wanted to have a little bit more room than what you get in the typical GI one with the little side pockets, which I think were really on design for your water purification tablets and stuff. But anyway, just something to think about. But these definitely work for that too. And I don't know what other options out there that you could use it for. So yeah, it's like most of these bags, you can all kinds of things you can do with them, and unfortunately they're not too expensive. So anyway, that's all I can think of. Probably rambled on plenty. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.